This
So
is
that's
fun.
what I mean
Because
by
I should
local
be able to
SU3
jump
symmetry
in
is like a magic
at any
beam
point in
that when you
time,
plant it,
even
it
if
bursts
it's a
forth
chaos
magnificently
band
into the strong
theory
force.
on the
Because if we
overall
take it as
wave
a
function,
constraint,
right?
as
Because
a first principle,
you
it's
might
like this
slide
miracle
into
that we're
him, you
taking on
might slide
faith.
into me.
And
I
then
just
we
got
say,
done
okay, we're
practicing
going to
bar.
modify our
Got
model
like a
of
65,
physics in whatever
64.
way
There
we
are
have
some
to
bullshit
satisfy
questions. What
this
I'm
magical
assuming the
principle.
entirety of the writ
And what you end
is
up with is necessarily
SU0
quantum
being,
chromodynamics.
we just started data tables, and
So
then
now
we
the
will
question becomes, how can we
peel those
modify our
out into
Lagrangian
Cepheid variable,
so that
tabby
it remains the
stars, things that are
same
real,
before and
because
after a
I'm
local
giving you an
SU3
SU3
In
process,
other
an
words,
SUN,
how can we give our
as far
Lagrangian
as
local
overall we
SU3
break down
symmetry?
sunshine. It's still the reason why
Well, we
field
saw that
theory
when we
has
hop from one
supersymmetry
gauge
to the
to
Big
another,
Bang,
our
right? Because in
Lagrangian
that hot
changes by
plasmic
this amount
sunshine,
delta
we might be
L
able to figure
equals
out
psi bar
iron,
I gamma mu u dagger partial
protium,
mu u
tritium,
psi.
durium,
And when you
stuff
look
like
at
that.
it,
There's
everything
reasons
here
why
is
the math
generally
at the
non-zero.
Galileo
And that actually
SU2
does
level
make sense when you think about the fact
is
that a
again
local
this open
SU3
field of sunshine we're going to
transformation
graph,
is going to make
or
all
I
kinds
knew
of a mess
that
in our
in
wave
an
function.
SU3 is that this
We're
pump has
changing
a
what we mean by
specific
color
issue.
at different amounts and different
It
points
could
of
still
space
be
and
any
time, and so there's
SU2
going to be all kinds
process
of
of
gradients and all that sort
the
of thing.
genetic neatness of it.
Bold dreams, be bold science.
They evolve. You can recreate the way to a phenotype. See, people don't usually do that. We're using some SU field where we didn't understand that that was the grammatics, or because we're in the middle of the process, SU2 becomes what's parallel to -1, so it's in that quantum stasis. We just hit one of the indexes that Octopus, I'm sure he's going to get to at some point in time in here. It gives you this, what was it, LU factorial process, so the lower and upper, really. When this starts graphing, though, it will start graph on that figure 4 to why these types of equations could be the initial open a field, wake up, start being a scientist, not just relatively
which consists of the Dirac-Lagrangian,
a person doing science on the pump, right? Because then that middle
But
management
then
isn't
that
quite the
doesn't
boss.
actually
You
have
still go to
local
the
E1
electrician,
symmetry.
don't know any
So
of
in
the
order
phone
to give it
calls.
local E1 symmetry, we defined a gauge field
I would
AU
imagine the next
and
video
brought
to
in
this, if there
interaction
was
term
a
to clean up the
fourth
mess.
law of thermodynamics
So now this
or
pink term,
motion,
the
is that you
Dirac-Lagrangian,
kind
and this
of
yellow interaction term,
SCP
together,
this.
those two
But that would be
terms
like
do
6
have local
hours, a
E1 symmetry,
YouTube video, or a
because if you
YouTube
apply a
clone
local E1
page
transformation
definition where you're going to
and
go
analyze just those
twice
two
that
terms
distance
into
because it's your
Lagrangian,
first time
you'll
doing
see that
this
while
kind of
each one
thing.
of those
Study the
changes
bar,
together,
right?
the result
You're going
is
to get
the
in
same.
there and
It's like
do
a
it up.
hand in a
I don't know
glove.
exactly what version of bar
And
that
then
would
in
be,
addition to
but I'm
that, we also have
assuming
to give our gauge field A mu, that is the photon field,